SMM can mean two things, social media management or social media marketing. Kasi tinatanong ni Johan dito if kasama daw ba sa SMM ang pag-create ng content, na ipopost, yung mag-iisip, gagawa at mag-edit ng content. And quick answer is yes. Under social media management, kasama na doon yung content creation, yung content scheduling, yung posting, community management, monitoring and responding to trends, brand reputation management, collaboration, analytics, and reporting. Now, once you've mastered everything, you can then proceed to para mag-upskill ka na to social media marketing. As a social media marketer, kasama na dyan yung campaign strategy development, determining paid ad campaign, A/B testing, lead generation, conversion optimization, analytics and performance tracking, influencer marketing, retargeting, remarketing, market research, and competitor analysis. So, minsan nag-overlap yung parehong role na yon. Now, pagdating sa mismong question mo, which is yung content creation side, it's a shared task. Pero sa marketing, madalas aligned siya sa campaign goals. Tapos sa management naman is more on consistent engagement maintenance. So overall, both roles focuses on maintaining the brand's presence, engaging with the community, monitoring trends, creating and executing strategies. Ultimately, the goal is to drive conversions. However, keep in mind na as a social media manager or marketer, hindi ka nandoon to make the sale. You're there to fill the sales funnel, if that even makes sense. If this is something na gusto mo sanang pag-aralan, we actually have our last class of the year. Pinaka-juicy. The last class ng social media management and marketing of the year is happening this weekend nga ba, sandali. Oh honey, good news. First class is on November 16th. The second class is on November 23rd. And itong klase na to ay, anong oras ba to? Wala pang oras. Pero yun, 16 and 23, usually lunch to Pero I believe imumove yata siya ng later time. So we will have yung time very, very soon. So yung day 1 is theory day, concepts, discussions, and day 2 is practical day. So hands-on activities na, breakout rooms, and then you would have 2 weeks of internship. Pagkatapos application book, tuturuan namin kayo kung paano maghanap ng client. Pagkatapos mock interview, which is your one-on-one with me. All for the price of only 999 pesos. Gusto mo yan? Anyway, if you guys wanna join, i-click nyo lang tong link sa bio ko. It will take you to the Gig Hub. Sa Gig Hub, nandiyan na lahat ng kailangan nyo para matuto mag-work from home. But, if you wanna join any of our classes under live mentorship class, hahanapin nyo lang 999. Syempre, nandun pa sa bandang baba. 999, ayan, social media management with internship. I-click nyo lang yan, nandiyan na yung information about the class sa mismong form. Inuulit ko lang, this is the last class of the year ng SMM natin. So mag-join na kayo.